Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. It will help me grow as a channel, and my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by this time next year. So help me achieve that. All right, today we are making a healthy version of my favorite flavored chocolate. Let's check out our ingredients. First up, you'll want to melt down your healthy chocolate. So to do this, just chop it up finely and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then take it out and stir it up. Then put it in again until it's completely melted. If it starts to clump up, go ahead and add just a little bit of oil to it, like avocado oil, maybe even some butter, and that will help thin it out a little bit. Now you want to take that melted chocolate and pour it into your chocolate mold. Then put it into the refrigerator for about 3 minutes. Make sure it's no longer than 3 minutes, because if it hardens all the way, you won't be able to squish in your toppings. So keep an eye out for that. Okay, so we have our chocolate bar. It's not fully set yet, but that's perfect because we are going to squish in our toppings. So if you're using big toppings like I'm using here, make sure you break them up or you cut them up so you have little tiny pieces, and that really just helps spread out the flavor, and it makes for a really nice chocolate bar. So we've placed all of our toppings on our chocolate. Now it's time to put it back in the refrigerator until it has completely set. This can take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes depending on your refrigerator. And we are done. So we have our block of chocolate here. Let's take it out. Okay. Can you see this? Look how good it looks. It's perfect. Wow. Imagine that. You know, these would be a really good present for Christmas or whatever. The holiday season is coming up. Here's your gift idea. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.